You finish mowing your lawn. It looks perfect. You put the mower away, go inside, make a sandwich, and come back 1 hour later. The grass is now 1 foot taller. Not 1 foot every week or every month, 1 foot every single hour. Across the entire earth. Lawns, parks, forests, farms. Every blade of grass grows at exactly the same speed. How long before civilization disappears beneath a giant green blanket? First, this growth rate is completely impossible. Grass grows because its cells divide using energy from photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is how plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make sugar. That sugar becomes new leaves and stems. Normally, most grasses grow only a few millimeters each day. We're increasing that speed by roughly 100 times. After just 1 hour, your lawn reaches about 30 centimeters taller. You barely notice. After 6 hours, it's about 6 feet taller. Now it's above your head. Sidewalks disappear, and garden fences vanish. Finding your mailbox becomes an expedition. By the end of the first day, the grass has grown 24 feet. That's over 7 meters. Driving becomes almost impossible. You can't see intersections. Traffic signs disappear. Road markings are completely hidden. Even highways become narrow green tunnels. GPS still knows where the road is. You don't. Farms face an even stranger problem. Many crops like wheat, rice, and corn are actually types of grass. That means they also grow 1 foot every hour. At first, this sounds amazing, unlimited food. Except plants don't just need height, they need balance. Their stems eventually become too tall to support themselves. They collapse under their own weight. Scientists call this lodging. The roots can't keep up either. Plants need water and minerals from the soil. Those resources travel through tiny tubes inside the plant. The taller the grass becomes, the farther water must travel. Eventually, the plant can't move water upward fast enough. It's like trying to drink through a straw. That's several stories tall. The grass keeps growing, but it starts dying at the same time. Within days, entire grasslands begin falling over. Millions of giant blades collapse onto each other. Fresh grass underneath loses sunlight. Without sunlight, photosynthesis stops. Large sections begin rotting. Bacteria and fungi move in. The smell becomes unforgettable, and not in the way a freshly cut lawn usually is. Here's something unexpected. The piles begin heating themselves. As bacteria break down dead plants, they release heat. This process is called decomposition. Large piles of hay can actually become hot enough to catch fire by themselves. Scientists call this spontaneous combustion. Once one fire starts, it spreads rapidly. Dry grass burns extremely well. Flames race through fields faster than many people can run. Smoke fills the atmosphere. Entire regions become covered in thick haze. Ironically, the endless grass that began as a gardening problem ends as a global fire problem. What about animals? You might think cows would be thrilled. After all, they eat grass. But giant grass isn't automatically useful. Most of it quickly becomes tough, woody, and difficult to digest. Many grazing animals would actually struggle to eat enough. Even unlimited food can become unusable and if it grows too fast. So, sometimes the difference between a beautiful garden and a global disaster is only a few extra inches every hour.